Hello my dear children, welcome back to another session of our English class. In the previous class, we went through the second lesson from a railway carriage, and today we will discuss the activities based on the lesson from a railway carriage. So all of you take page number 68. Look, activity 2. Look at the words from the poem. Don't they sound similar? Look the examples. Witches, ditches, cattle, battle. These are rhyming words. They make the poem more musical. Find out pairs of rhyming words from the poem. Students, I had already taught you rhyming words. Two examples are already given there. They are witches, ditches, cattle, battle. Now find out the other pairs of rhyming words from the poem. Do it yourself as a homework, and we will discuss this activity in the online class. Now look activity 3. Read the question. In this poem, the poet uses two similes. Pick out these similes from the poem. Students, before doing this activity, let's know about simile. Simile is a phrase that uses a comparison to describe. Here is an example. Life is like a box of chocolates. Here, life can be described as similar to a box of chocolates. In a simile, you can see the words like or as in a comparison. Students, now can you identify the similes from this poem? Do it yourself. Now all of you take page number 69. Activity 4. Underline the initial sounds of words repeated in the given lines. A. Faster than fairies, faster than witches. B. Bridges and houses, hedges and ditches. Now, underline the vowel sounds repeated in each line. Students, what do you mean by alliteration? Yes, very good. Alliteration is the repetition of initial consonant sounds of words in a line. Now, what do you mean by assonance? Assonance is the repetition of vowel sounds in a line. Students, in English alphabet, there are 5 vowel sounds and 21 consonant sounds. The 5 vowel sounds are A, E, I, O, U. And the 21 consonant sounds are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now all of you go through the poem and identify the lines having alliteration. I will give you an example. Faster than fairies, faster than witches. Here the sound of the letter F is repeated. Now you have to identify the another line having alliteration. Now identify the lines having assonance. I will give you an example for assonance. Look this line. Fly as thick as driving rain. Here the vowel sound A is repeated. Likewise, you have to identify the another line having assonance. This is a homework for you. Now all of you take page number 70. Look, activity 6. List down the rhyming words of each line in the first stanza. Name the words according to the similarity of ending sound. Begin the naming with A. Words with similar endings should be named using the same letter. Students, the ending word of each line are given here and their naming pattern is also given here. Some examples are given here. Witches, ditches, battle, cattle. Witches A, ditches A, battle B, cattle B. Here, these two words, witches and ditches, are pronounced similarly. So, their naming pattern is AA. Look the next two words, battle, cattle. Here, battle and cattle are the words which are pronounced similarly. So, their naming pattern is BB. Now, you have to identify the ending word of each line and identify their naming patterns also. Students, here you know the rhyme scheme for the first stanza, that is AABB. Now find out the rhyme scheme for the second stanza of the poem. All of you do it as a homework. Students, Look, activity 7. In this poem, the poet uses words to make pictures just as you might use a camera to take pictures. Word pictures created by poets are called images. Such pictures may appeal to our eyes, that is visual, ears, that is auditory, touch, that is tactile, smell, that is olfactory, and taste, gustatory. Now, can you pick out the images from the poem? Complete the following word web by selecting appropriate images from the poem. Now you have to identify the images used in the poem and complete the word web. Students, all of you try to do these activities and we will discuss these activities in the online class. Thank you all.